Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 1. Definitions and Terms. When we examine the various tests and calculations associated with claiming the credit for child and dependent care expenses, certain terms and phrases will be used. In this chapter, we will take a look at a few of these terms and phrases, as well as their definitions when used in the context of child and dependent care expenses.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.